We want this to feel like a conversation. A relaxed, informal chat, sharing questions, pondering the mysteries of the universe together, mind-blowing facts that make you rethink everything you thought you knew, and a few funny stories to lighten the mood. Because space can be serious, but it can also be hilarious. Imagine sitting around a campfire, the crackling flames mirroring the distant stars above, looking up at the stars, and just talking about what's out there, the possibilities, the unknowns, the sheer scale of it all. So get comfortable, maybe grab a blanket, and prepare for liftoff. We're about to embark on an incredible journey. Our journey begins with the pioneers, the brave souls who first dared to leave Earth and venture into the great unknown. Let's dive in, shall we?
Today, we'll journey from humanity's first tentative steps into space, those iconic moments that defined a generation, to robots on other worlds, exploring the landscapes of Mars and beyond, sending back invaluable data, to our future on Mars, the potential for human settlements and a new chapter in our species' history. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast, tracking constellations with ease, or just starting to look up with a sense of wonder, this story is about all of us, our shared curiosity and our collective future among the stars, our drive to explore, to push boundaries, and to understand our place in the grand cosmic tapestry.
Same here, Liam. I was initially drawn in by the imaginative worlds of science fiction, but real missions, real astronauts, and the tangible achievements of space exploration made it even more fascinating and inspiring. The line between science fiction and science fact blurs more every year, with each new discovery and technological advancement.
Welcome to Cosmic Queries, the podcast where we look up, we wonder, and we explore the universe together. I'm your host, Liam, and I'm thrilled to be joined by my co-host and fellow stargazer, Chloe. Chloe, space news is everywhere. It's hard to keep up with all the exciting developments. New rockets, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space travel. New discoveries, revealing the secrets of distant galaxies and exoplanets. New dreams, inspiring us to reach for the stars and imagine a future among them. For me, it all started with a simple backyard telescope, a gateway to the cosmos, searching for Saturn's rings, a quest that ignited a lifelong passion. That first glimpse, that breathtaking view of Saturn hooked me for life, and I've been looking up ever since. And beyond, to the furthest reaches of the cosmos.
To the moon, our celestial neighbor.
Let's see where that spirit took us next, tracing the incredible journey of human spaceflight.
And their spirit continues to inspire, driving us to explore further and push the boundaries of what's possible.
Their legacy lives on in every launch today, a testament to their vision and dedication.
And it all set the stage for the next giant leap, building upon the foundation they established. The courage and ingenuity of these pioneers, who dared to dream of reaching the stars, opened the door for everything that followed, paving the way for future generations of explorers.
Each mission pushed the boundaries, venturing further into the unknown, proving space was a place we could go, a destination within our reach.
There's a great story about Shepard, a moment that highlights the human element of space travel. Stuck in the capsule for hours, he had to relieve himself in his suit. A rather unglamorous but very real challenge. It's a reminder these were real people, not superheroes, facing extraordinary circumstances with courage and resilience. These flights taught us how to build better spacecraft, refining our designs and improving our technology, and keep humans alive in space, developing the life support systems necessary for survival in a hostile environment. They laid the groundwork for even greater ambitions, setting the stage for missions to the moon and beyond.
The Americans quickly followed, determined to catch up in the race to space. Alan Shepard became the first American in space, a moment of national pride and a symbol of American ingenuity. A short but vital suborbital flight, proving that Americans could also reach the stars. These early missions were risky, pushing the limits of technology and human endurance. Astronauts were test pilots, brave individuals willing to risk their lives for the sake of exploration, strapping themselves to rockets with unproven technology, facing the unknown with unwavering determination.
The bravery was incredible, a testament to the human spirit's desire to explore and discover. Gagarin faced unknowns, radiation, weightlessness, dangers that could have ended his life. His flight lasted just 108 minutes, a fleeting moment in the grand scheme of things. But it changed everything, forever altering our perception of what's possible.
To appreciate where we are, the incredible advancements we've made in space exploration, let's go back to the space race, a period of intense competition and remarkable innovation. Before the moon, we had to ask fundamental questions about our ability to survive and thrive in space. Could a human survive in space? A question that seemed almost impossible to answer at the time. The Soviets answered first, taking the lead in the early stages of the space race. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a name that will forever be etched in the history of space exploration, became the first person to orbit Earth, a monumental achievement that captivated the world. Imagine seeing our planet as a blue marble for the first time, a breathtaking view that changed everything.
To Mars, the red planet beckons, a future destination for human exploration. But before we set our sights on distant worlds, let's reflect on a pivotal moment in our history, a moment that redefined what's possible.
Let's see where our curiosity took us next. A journey fueled by ambition, innovation, and a collective dream.
And a reminder that the sky is not the limit. It's merely the beginning. A vast expanse of opportunity and discovery awaits us.
The moon landings remain a symbol of human achievement, a testament to our ingenuity and our unwavering spirit of exploration.
And they inspire generations to look up, to dream of reaching for the stars and pushing the boundaries of what we know.
They showed us what's possible when we dream big, when we dare to imagine a future beyond our own world.
650 million people watched, captivated by the unfolding drama, united in a shared experience. It was a global moment, a unifying event that transcended borders and cultures. Michael Collins, alone in orbit, was the most isolated person in history. A solitary sentinel, watching over his fellow astronauts as they explored the lunar surface. The Apollo missions proved that with determination, humanity could achieve the impossible. That no challenge is too great when we work together towards a common goal.
Then came the moment Armstrong's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. For the first time, humans stood on another world, a moment etched in history, forever changing our perspective on our place in the universe.
On July 20th, 1969, Apollo 11 made history, a date that will forever be synonymous with courage, innovation, and the boundless potential of the human spirit. Armstrong and Aldrin landed on the moon while Collins orbited above, a critical role ensuring their safe return to Earth. The landing was tense, alarms blaring, fuel running low, a nail-biting moment for everyone involved, both on the ground and in space. Armstrong took manual control and landed with seconds to spare. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. A collective sigh of relief echoed around the world.
After those first steps, the goal was clear. Land a man on the moon and return him safely. A daring mission with immense risks. But the potential rewards were even greater. The Apollo program was a massive effort, pushing technology and teamwork to the limit. A shining example of what humanity can accomplish when we unite in pursuit of a common dream.
The adventure continues.
Mars exploration is just getting started.
And paving the way for humans to follow.
Each rover builds on the last, bringing us closer to answering the question, was there ever life on Mars?
Perseverance landed in 2021, searching for signs of ancient life and collecting samples for a future return to Earth. It brought a helicopter, Ingenuity, proving we can fly on another planet.
Then came Curiosity in 2012, a mobile science lab, drilling rocks and finding signs of ancient habitable environments.
Spirit and Opportunity, landing in 2004, were only meant to last 90 days. Spirit lasted 6 years, Opportunity nearly 15. They found evidence of ancient water and changed our understanding of Mars.
After Apollo, human spaceflight stayed closer to home, but our curiosity about Mars grew. Instead of people, we sent robots, our eyes and hands on the red planet, and a stepping stone to what's next.
It's a model for future cooperation beyond Earth.
The ISS proves what we can achieve together.
Life on the ISS is a mix of science and daily routine, shared with the world through social media and music.
Astronauts run experiments, maintain systems, and even grow plants, preparing for future missions.
Microgravity lets scientists study everything from human health to new materials.
Assembled in orbit since 1998, the ISS is a city in space, with labs, living quarters, and the best view in the solar system.
While robots explore Mars, humans have lived in space for over 2 decades thanks to the International Space Station. It's a global project, built and operated by the US, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada.
Let's look at where these ideas are taking us next.
And makes the impossible feel possible.
Understanding them brings the cosmos a little closer.
And they're surprisingly elegant.
These concepts make space travel possible.
It's like the top of a roller coaster, except the feeling never ends.
In space, timing is everything. Weightlessness. Astronauts feel weightless not because there's no gravity, but because they're in constant freefall with the station.
Traveling to other planets uses a Hohmann transfer orbit, timing your path so you meet your destination with minimal fuel.
Like throwing a baseball. If you throw it fast enough, it circles the planet. That's an orbit. Escape velocity. To leave Earth, you need to go 25,000 miles per hour. That's why rockets are so powerful.
Let's break down some basic space science. Orbits, the ISS isn't floating, it's falling around Earth, moving so fast that it never hits the ground.
Let's talk about why it matters.
The next giant leap is within reach.
And it's closer than ever.
It's the most ambitious journey we've ever attempted.
The payoff. Setting foot on another planet.
Mars is a 6 to 9 month journey. Astronauts will need to be self-sufficient, facing radiation, isolation, and the challenge of living off the land. Solving these problems will require innovation and inspire a new generation.
Technology is advancing fast. Reusable rockets like SpaceX's Starship are lowering costs and making big missions possible. Starship could carry up to 100 people to Mars.
The moon is a stepping stone. What we learn there will help us reach Mars. Extracting water, growing food, and making fuel on the moon will change deep space exploration. The Artemis missions will land the first woman and person of color on the moon. A powerful milestone.
Now the future humanity is returning to the moon, but this time to stay. NASA's Artemis program and partners aim to build a sustainable lunar presence, a base, a gateway station, and long-term missions.
They reach into our daily lives and our future.
The benefits reach far beyond the launch pad.
And it unites us in a shared sense of wonder.
It reminds us to care for our planet and each other.
Space exploration gives us perspective and hope.
There's also the overview effect. Seeing Earth from space makes astronauts realize we're all one family on a fragile planet.
Space inspires. Apollo sent millions into STEM fields. Big missions show young people that hard problems can be solved.
Keeping astronauts alive led to advances in water purification, medical tech, and solar panels, solutions we use on Earth.
Why spend money on space? Because exploration drives innovation that benefits everyone. Space technology gave us GPS, memory foam, cordless tools, and even the camera in your phone. See you among the stars.
Until next time, clear skies.
Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder.
Thanks for joining us on Cosmic Queries.
The cosmos is calling, and we're finally answering.
It connects us to something bigger and gives us hope for the future.
It teaches us about the universe and ourselves.
From Gagarin's orbit to Mars rovers and moon missions, space exploration is a story of curiosity, courage, and teamwork.
For me, it's humanity becoming a multi-planet species. The idea of seeing footprints on Mars in my lifetime is thrilling.
As we wrap up, what excites us most? For me, it's the search for life. Missions like Perseverance and the James Webb Space Telescope could answer the question, are we alone?